everyone, welcome back to my beauty channel. Today we're going to unbox the Goodiebox of December. This video is a bit late, but I just received the box. Okay, I'm sorry. Also, one of you guys commented on one of my unboxings and told me that my Goodiebox link just works for 12 people a year. So I'm sorry for that, but I think some of you guys can still use it. I will email Goodiebox and ask again if I can get my own link. I don't know if they're going to agree with that, but I'll try. So if you're not already subscribing to my channel, I would really recommend you to do that. And of course, like, comment, hit the bell, turn on the notifications. And with no further ado, let's get into this unboxing. This is the box, and for you guys who doesn't know what Goodiebox is, it's a beauty subscription. You receive a box monthly with different themes, and the boxes have different shades or colors and prints. You get 5 different beauty products. It can be makeup, skincare, accessories and stuff. So that's pretty much it. It's pretty much like Glossybox, but I prefer Goodiebox actually. But yeah, let's open this. So we have a red box, very Christmassy and stuff. It's glowing and it looks very cute. I like it. So just pull out the drawer and you can reuse this box, put makeup in it or something. Really nice. I always save these boxes. We have a description paper and we're going to read this after we looked at all the products. So we just unwrap this a bit, just like that, and then we take one product at a time, talk about it, looking at it, and react. Okay, first product, niacinamide serum. The high concentration of niacinamide, vitamin B3, blah blah blah, 50 milliliters from Gabbe. I think I have this in a smaller version and I'm actually testing it out right now, so I haven't really made up my mind yet, but I think I like it. So I have to check if it's the same product. If it is, I will definitely save it and continue to use it. If you subscribe to a lot of beauty boxes, you've probably seen this brand a couple of times, like me. But okay, we like it. I appreciate the size. Product number 2. Something gold. What is this? A mascara maybe? Yeah. Melusine Paris. Mascara and conditioner. 3 in 1. Reinforce. Blah blah blah. Vegan. Definitely a new brand for me. I love the packaging. I'm not going to open it right now because I've opened so many mascaras and I need to use them up before I open new ones because I'm just wasting them and then dry and it's just a waste. Full size, I assume, and as I said, it's a nice packaging, new brand, fun, love makeup. Next product. Is this also some kind of makeup? Reeler, recognize that brand from beauty boxes. I Am Strong Definer Brow Pencil. Okay. Usually we receive lip liners and stuff. Okay, double-ended. I love this kind of tip. They're so easy to use. Let's swatch these. Not the best swatch, but it's pretty cold and pretty light. I don't think this will look good on everyone. I mean, if you have darker skin or darker hair, usually you want a darker shade. So it's not really a product a lot of people can use. At least I don't think so. But for me, it's really good. And of course, it's an issue. They can't send you multiple shades, but when you subscribe to a box, you fill in form with your what hair color you have, what hair type you have. So it would be good to also have questions about these kinds of products, so you know what shades people like to receive, and then you can put products that people actually can use. But maybe that takes too much time, and I don't know. Nice product, I like it. Always fun to receive makeup and to actually receive brow products. That's nothing you usually do. Okay, next product. AHA and BHA Glow Cleanser, Decure and Glow, also a brand we recognize from beauty boxes. With dry hands, massage onto dry skin, finishing with the eye area. Splash water and massage again until a fine lather builds up to lift and remove debris. Rinse with lukewarm water. Okay, so it's just a regular cleanser, I guess. It feels like it's not completely full, but it's 20 milliliters. I have a bunch of skincare products right now, but nice. I will definitely try it out. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Last product. Oh, Clinique. Moisture Surge Intense Replenishing Hydrator, 15 milliliters, so it's a small size, but what is it? Very dry to dry combination. Is it just a moisturizer? I'm not sure if this is a full size because it's a bit small. Excited about this one. Clinique has some really nice products, and I see it as a more serious brand and a very well-known brand. Not always expensive, but it's not drugstore products. Yeah, I don't know. Nice brand, okay? This is what the paper looks like, or the descriptions. So the theme of the box is the Wrap It Up box. And the first product is the Jojoba Niacinamide Serum. It retails for around $23. It's a really nourishing serum. It's 100% vegan and it's made in Denmark. For the best result, use morning and evening on cleansed skin. And it's a full size. Melusine Paris, a full-size 3-in-1 mascara with hemp and enriched with vitamin E. Retails for $20. So it's not just a mascara, this will also help with growing your lashes. That's interesting. So it contains a lot of good stuff. Oils and omega-6 vitamins and stuff, and it has a silicone brush for an easy application. Full size, definitely going to try that. I'm not really, I don't have big hopes for it actually helping with growing your lashes, but I hope it will look good on the lashes at least. Decure N Glow AHA and BHA Glow Cleanser. Recommended price $45 for 100 milliliters, and this was 20 milliliters, and it's not a full size. Okay, it's really expensive. I don't like when the products are too expensive, because if you want to rebuy them because they're so good, then it will cost some coin, girl, and we don't like that. But fun either way to try it out. Realer Definer Brow Pencil, full size, and it retails for $14. Define, Improve, and Form. It's a long-lasting micro-tip definer brow pencil. It also claims to be waterproof. I like that because it sucks when you make your eyebrows and then you just realizing a couple of hours later that you don't have those nice brows anymore. They're just everywhere and nowhere, if you know what I mean. so maybe this will last longer. And the last product, the Clinique Moisture Surge Intense 72-hour lipid replenishing hydrator. Recommended price is $35 for 50 milliliters, and this was 15 milliliters, so not a full size. Use morning and evening on cleansed skin. You can use it alone or under your makeup on dry spots, or just as a 5 minutes long face mask. So you can use it for whatever you like, pretty much. So we only have 3 full-size products this month. I'm a bit disappointed because last year, in the December box, we received some very nice products. We got makeup brush, I think, from Nita Beauty, and a lipstick maybe? I'm not sure, but I know that I loved that box. This is more like, yeah, every box, not a special box. And for the December box, I really appreciate receiving some special products, but it's not a bad box in any way, but just not a December box for me, if you get what I mean. That's everything for this video, and I'm sorry again about my affiliate link. I hope we can work something out. Probably not, because they didn't want to give me a link last time I asked them, so don't have any hopes, but I will try for you guys. It's really nice to actually have a link so you don't have to pay full price for your first box. You want to try it out, see if it's something you really want to subscribe to. So I think they should really change it back as the way it was. They want happy customers, they want more customers, and some ways are better than other ways. Social media today is so big and so important, so they would win a lot by, I don't know, do some smart PR things or commercial things, and yeah, I hope they will find a solution. So that's everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and of course hit the bell and turn on the notifications so you don't miss my future videos. See you in the next one. Bye!